Hey there. It's been an interesting day. Let's visit CSSBattle.dev and see if we can do today's daily target. Oh, I like this guy. Don't you like this guy? I like this guy. All right. Um, how do we do it? What do we do? You know what I think today? I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Let's do 4 elements. Is this a good way to do it? Nope. Am I going to do it anyway? Yep. All right, let's do it. Okay, so let's start. So what do we need to do? We need to do margin var, and I know I have it in my mind's eye already, a top margin value that's either M or 0, right? And then auto. So auto on the sides. So that's the margin. And I'm going to set a height, and I'm going to say aspect ratio 1. And I'm going to say border radius. Border radius is 50%. And then background is that. And then for the odd ones, P, nth child, no, even ones, background is going to be the dark color, I think. Let's see. I'm going to make 4 of them, right? 1. There we go. And then we set that like that. Or maybe better, we'll nullify that so that we can see what the heck we're doing. All right. So the first one, 200, and then, okay, so the second one, so we need the height is a height or is a var, like that. And then we're going to add element, we got a B, C, D. So we got B, great, C, great, D. Okay. So let's see if we can make that work. Looks like that top margin is -8, and then this width is a little bit more, 3. Okay. And then actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to set this to be 0 on the bottom, or 8. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, and then, okay, so for the second one, M is going to be -100. And then the height is smaller, 100. No, bigger, 200. Oh. Now we got 2 of them. And this next one, the margin is like, we'll just start with 0. And then the height is 100. And the now we need the margin to be negative. How about -100? -200? Oh, 150. And then D, that height is smaller than 100, so about 50. And that margin is -100. -100. Okay. We got a lot of pieces here. Let's put the background back. Plonk. And just by adjusting these margins, 4, 3, 2, 22, 18. And then this one, 98. There it is. Let's submit, see if we got 100% match. So this is very different technique than what you usually normally see me do. And why? Why is that the case? Well, because it's more fun. So we have four elements, and that's 100% match. Okay, so what do we got that's a little flabby? So this nth child even, that's so many characters to get the even elements, right? To get B and D, right? So I can set a color. So do var C for color. I'm gonna nuke this, and so B gets a dash dash color, dash dash C rather, and D gets the same treatment. All right. This width business, the aspect ratio, what can we do there? I find myself wanting to do some algebra and some calcs, but 300, 200, 150, it's not quite half, 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 right? It's minus 100, minus 100, minus 50. So that's just a little less exciting to me to do the calcs for that. This is already nice and nice and pretty terse. So let's go ahead and minify. Are there other tunings we can do? Sure, there are. I know there are. Do we want to do it another way? Maybe. Maybe we will. So there, that's how you do it that way. So 300. What else can we do? Let's use the nested template and see what we can do. Do that. Background of the body element is that for now. Border radius is 50%. That gets you a circle. And now I need to do margin 0 minus 8. There we go. 7, 6, 50, 40, 42, 42. So that's how you get that. So now let's do radial gradient. Radial gradient at 50%, 20 pixels. As the dark color. And I think we know it's 100 pixels. Yeah, the middle one. And then transparent. And I guess we need the background to be that. Look at that. That's great. 1Q. 50, 100, 110. And then another radial gradient, right? We need 2 more. Comma. And that one's going to be this green color. And that radius, I think we know, is 50. Yeah. And that 5. Like that. And then we do another one on top of that. This is a fun one for me. I really am enjoying this. Silly as that is. 25, and this is at 2, and then the color has to be the dark color. Yeah, dark color. $150, $140, $130, $135. Let's submit that as well. So that's nested template. Okay, and then so this backup color doesn't have to exist. Clump, 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 and then minify unit replace. Some repetition there. It's not too pretty, but it's another way to do it. I don't think this is a better score. Actually, no, it actually is a better score. So that's funny. That surprises me a little bit because it feels like it's got a lot of repetition. Yeah. None of these circles. So this, I think this circle has the same center, does it? As the overall body. So let's see, was that the middle one? So yeah, so this 1Q doesn't need this part because this circle is right in the dead center. The 2 blue circles are offset. So I can do a resubmit and get an even better score. I think. Yeah. The other thing I could probably do is use a mask, maybe. That would be another way to do this. You do install a circle and then create a mask out of it, but I think I'll stop there. That's a fun one. That's a super fun one. Yeah, I enjoyed that a lot. I hope you did too. You know, it's okay if you didn't. It's fine. No. Remember, no liking, no subscribing. It's okay if you don't. Just fine. I'll keep doing these regardless, as long as I'm able. Hope you're having a good day. Go make a webpage. Go do it. Go make a webpage now. Do it. And have a good day. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other.